Baby, I sing to you from depths of shadows, from a heart that beats so shallow, giving my voice all away. But maybe the whole world is finally ours. No more sleeping on your powers. No more gifts gone to waste. Hey, baby, I was sleeping on my powers, sleeping in like a coward, giving my gifts all away.
But I will not live there anymore, in the bunker of my soul. Excuse me as I expose more than my skin, as I shake off the shame of another sin, as I get real comfortable with being comfy in this body, as it is right now, as I continue to silence trauma and seduce my natural sound. Excuse me as I jump right in. Remember that fear only camouflages our purpose, disguises our divinity in exchange for vacant comfort. That smooth-talking bastard, that sadistic salesman will numb the symphony of your sorrows, but in return we devolve into voiceless amps, muting the soundtracks of our lives, begging through barbed braille for the courage it takes to fail, to fall on your face and get right back up again. It is not a curse to feel this much, and all the time, when it is a sign of a long and deeply felt life, so I will not live there anymore. Hostage in the borders of no's. I don't think so's, or maybe next times, when tomorrow is never promised and today is our birthright. Tomorrow is never promised and today is our birthright. So I won't be afraid. If I was born brave and as great as a waterfall, I'll drown all my fears, though I've known them for years, 'cause they've made me live too fucking small.